You guys hear this thing rattling? Oh my gosh.
I thought it was bearing for a second.
What's up, guys? Thank you guys so much for tuning back into the channel. If you guys have read the title, you know that we are having some serious problems with the 65 Mustang. So as you guys know, I've been through the whole car. We've done almost a full restoration on it. Finally on the new setup, we took it on the first drive, and I got it home after the day, did a little inspection because I heard some noises going on the way home, and it burned 3 quarts of oil since the last oil change, which was like a week ago. Burned 3 quarts of oil, and I heard this sound. Play the clip. So yeah, basically this engine is knocking like a Jehovah's Witness right now, and it's just tick 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 pecking away. It's something in the top end. It doesn't sound like it's a bottom end issue yet, but it very well could be since we starved this thing of 3 quarts of oil. So either way, this thing's definitely gonna get a new engine. I'm not sure when, I'm not sure how, but it's gonna happen. In today's video, we are gonna see if Lucas's oil stabilizer will help with the ticking time bomb that's right behind me. Oil stabilizer, high mileage, is supposed to help lubricate things, eliminate engine noise, emissions, oil consumption, and associated with wornness in the engine. So that is literally every single problem we're having right now. So $10 at advance. We're gonna see what happens. Along with that, we've got some beautiful Walmart brand oil. We went 10W40, a little bit thicker than 10W30, just to, it might help, you never know. It sounds like so much keys rattling in that engine bay right now. So let's go ahead, fire that thing up, and see what happens.
It's so good, it's so sad. This thing was running so good. Oh yeah, that's a knock. You guys hear that? If we can smell the oil, it's breathing a lot too. Sounds like someone's banging some keys in there, Shelby. What do you think? Doesn't sound too good, does it? Well, we're gonna pull this oil out, see if there's any metal shavings in it, see what we're looking at there, and then put the new stuff in, see what happens. So that kind of stuff. Okay guys, so the oil is out. Ooh. I'm not seeing anything.
I thought it was bearing for a second.
It's just sludged oil. So guys, the oil, it doesn't look too bad. It definitely is kind of clumped up. There's definitely a whole lot of sludge in that engine. It's definitely sound like a rod knock. So I don't know, I could be wrong. I'm hoping I'm wrong. We are still gonna try this stuff. So this stuff is Lucas high mileage oil stabilizer. If you guys wanna look at it, it's like 10, 15 bucks at your local parts store. And it promises that lubricates all internal parts to minimize wear, eliminates dry start, raises oil pressure. We're gonna see if this stuff can get rid of our rod knock. Well, of course, basically we're gonna put this whole bottle in there and then put our good old Walmart oil in there too, because see if it runs. So worst case scenario, this thing shoots a rod through the moon. So let's put this stuff in. Oh yeah, nice and thick. Okay guys, so now we are checked oil, we're reading on the dipstick. So we have about 4 quarts of conventional oil, 1 quart of the Lucas oil stabilizer. It's gonna take a second, we're gonna fire this thing up. It's gonna take a second for all the oil to get the oil stabilizer to get around the engine. We're gonna set this camera up right where it was knocking and the ticking was happening. I'm gonna have the GoPro on and we're gonna see if it goes away or not. I don't know what to think. It might go away, I really hope it does. If not, I'm not gonna be surprised one bit. So yeah, let's fire up my blown up motor. Get the oil cap on.
ticking. So check the oil. Oh gosh. Yeah, we're right at the safe mark. Oh man, you can hear it rattling in there now. Definitely feels like it's on this side. I can kind of feel it in the head gasket or the valve cover.
Two hours later.
You guys hear this thing rattling? Oh my gosh. All right, this is a waste of time. So guys, I'm gonna sit in here and cry. We just got this thing back on the road. Like you guys know, like we just got it back on the road and it blew up. So my dream car has a blown engine now and it's not getting fixed the easy way. So this engine is gonna have to be pulled. I hope you guys at least enjoy this kind of fun idea. I mean, my dad had the idea. It's like worst case scenario, it'll fix it. Worst case scenario, we're back where we started, but it obviously did not fix a rod knock. So it just sucks. Like it's just adversity. Like you guys know, like I've been working hard at this thing, and every time something great happens, like something's always gonna knock you back a little bit. That's life. So we're just gonna kind of roll with the punches, and I don't know what route we're gonna go yet, and be honest with you guys, it just sucks. Like we just had the trans out and just put the new clutch in. I thought we were gonna be driving great. I mean, while the motor ran, it ran phenomenal, and the car just drove great. Like the handling was great on this thing, everything, acceleration, corners, like it felt awesome. And we just had to go and blow it up, and I didn't even do anything. It was just daily driving, so just trying to get the clutch cycled. So a lot of stop and go traffic kind of stuff. It didn't even have a whole lot of like pressure on the engine. So it goes to show you how an older engine like this, you have to be careful with it because it will blow up like this one. It is what it is. It sucks. You got to roll with the punches. We're gonna pull this thing out and do a little inspection on it and kind of see what exactly happened. But I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do. So guys, more of the story. Lucas oil stabilizer does not stop a rod knock. The only thing that fixes a rod knock is a new engine. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. The 65 is down, but she's not out. She will be back. We will make some more content. I had a dream that the engine was gonna blow up. So it's kind of scary, but it is what it is. Anyway guys, hope you guys like this kind of fun little video. We will be back, don't worry. Anyway, I love you guys. Let me know what we should put in this thing. I've bounced around a couple crazy ideas in my head. Anything from EFI Fox body swap to friggin' Charlie wants to do an LS swap on this thing, so we're not doing that. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Anyway, wish me luck getting this thing back on the road, and we'll make some more content with some other stuff. Probably with the Jeep and the F100 for a couple weeks. So I'll talk to you guys next episode with hopefully some good news. Hopefully a road trip to get an engine. Love you guys a lot. Thank you guys for the support. Please like and subscribe. Talk to you guys next video. Deuces.